Hello everybody, I'll be presenting Alstom today. Here are a few highlights from 2016. Alstom boosts its spending on clean energy research. The company created a zero gas emission train. A new factory is being built in South Africa. A second train scanner was created for the United Kingdom. In Italy, 4 Pendolino were built for NTV. 10 new designs were unveiled. 15 visuals were designed for the new Alstom ad campaign. 25% less energy should be produced by the new metro in Lyon. For the USA, 28 new generation trains were made for Amtrak. In the company, each employee has 30 free shares. Alstom is planning on building 50 urban train sets for Dubai before 2020. The company also exported a high-speed train to Kazakhstan. For Italy and Netherlands, 229 new generation trains were built. 400 electromechanical locks were sold to the UK, guaranteeing safer traffic. Alstom has a partnership with the SNCF to build a 700-passenger train. During the Olympics in Rio, the Citadis was used by over 700,000 passengers. The company exports its savoir-faire to countries that want to develop their public transport system. Alstom's turnover last year was of $2.3 billion, export representing 40%. Alstom participates in a few clusters, the Pôle Mecatech and the MIPIRAI Innovation and International Business Cluster. Alstom is engaged in organizations, member of the United Nations Global Compact Working Group on a principle about anti-corruption, and on a local scale in Brazil, the company finalized a partnership with Instituto Ethos, also sponsors the Pact for Integrity and Against Corruption. About that new factory in South Africa, Alstom signed a $4 billion contract in 2014 with PRASA. This is the biggest deal ever signed by Alstom and the biggest contract that the South African government has ever signed with the private sector. 1,500 new jobs have been created. Alstom will build 3,600 new train coaches during a 10-year deal. Alstom created a joint venture with local partners called Gibella. The company can locally produce 70% of its production. The design model is called the Extrapolis Mega, and the first one built in South Africa will be ready by the end of the year. Then things will start growing faster. The factory will be able to produce 60 trains per year. For now, the first Extrapolis Megas are built in the Brazilian production site. French factories are also put to contribution: Tarbes, Ornans, Saint-Ouen. The first trains are being tested near Pretoria. Workers have to be trained in South Africa, so the company built a huge building dedicated to training 20,000 employees. Alstom sent some expats, a team that would stay in the country. The company helps its local subcontractors to develop more qualitative products. To conclude, I would like to say that being multi-specialist and multi-geographical can only bring success to your company. Thank you for watching.